Hi, this is Jamie from QuikAuthor, and today we're going to have a look at navigation just to get started. So when you first come into your account, you're going to see that this area of the projects is blank. Let's just start from the top here. The projects area is where you're going to find all of the courses that you've created. You can create new courses from here. You can also create folders. There are two views, so you've got the grid view that we're looking at here, or you can move to the other view here, and here you can move files into folders for easy sorting. Um, so this is our main project area. We've also got up here some different quick links. So we have our convert video capability. So we're going to get into this later on. We also have convert PDF, which allows you to upload PDFs, review, and then create the course from. We have an experimental feature, convert SCORM, currently only working for one use case, so probably won't be visible for many of you, but for those who do, this is for EdApp conversion. We've got our AI generation area where we can create courses and prompt to build, and we also have our branding area. So branding is where you can set the design. So we have a bunch of set designs that you can choose from if you wish, or you can go on and change all of your colors if you want to add your corporate colors. You can change your font, and you can see here we can also add custom fonts if you wish. Then we have our logo area where you can upload your logo, and then button styles if you want to change, for example, the style of your button, the shape of your button, that kind of thing. Don't worry too much about custom CSS, that's probably for more advanced users. And then finally we have the media library, which is where you can access all of your media. You'll find their folders in here as well, and then you can see that's broken down into different types. We have the team controls as well. Finally, across the top here, we have the profile area, which is where you can view your current utilization of the platform. You can change your avatar, name, etc., and any of the account settings that you want.